as thyroid levels decline, we end up having the body switches over to another hormone that it can utilize to make the heart beat, called adrenaline. So when the body starts utilizing adrenaline to make the heart beat, we are in fact stuck in what I call fight or flight. When you're stuck in fight or flight, the body's going to be hyper-stimulated early in the morning and hypo-stimulated later in the day. So you'll find oftentimes that you're kind of warm and really stimulated early in the day, but you'll see that you have an energy decline later in the afternoon, and often people wonder what that drop in energy is. That would actually be a condition where you're kind of stuck in fight or flight. Low thyroid is behind that, and we can get major changes in the body very quickly by going in and treating that underlying thyroid deficiency.